was like Charlie. Charlie was like yellow and
Funky.
turquoise.
Oh, this looks cute.
Frankie was fatter than that.
Hey man.
They have budgie toys as well. They're adorable. What is that? Is there other budgies? Because I can hear tweets are coming from some.
I read what it says about them. A small planet and one of the
Budgie or what does that say?
budgie, budgies.
Haley said something about budgies as well, and I was like, they're not going to be budgies at the zoo.
Obviously, there is budgies. Can you hold them?
No.
No.
Central Australia.
Oh, these look so cute. There's a budgie. There's a budgie there. There's a budgie there. Where's the other budgies? Is there other budgies? Wait, can you lift me up, Mum? Mum, lift me up. Oh, these are so fun.
Must be because they said they've got an all-female group and an all-male group, and the opposite one, can you identify which is which? So that's the boys. Because they've got blue noses.
So which ones are the girls?
These are the boys.
Where's the girls?
It says in the opposite. So it must be over there.
Right here. Can we go see the girls? Where's girl budgies? Where's girl budgies? Where's girl budgies? Where's girls budgies? Where's girls budgies? The girl budgies! Boy budgies! Those are girl budgies. No, it's not. The girls are the boys. Those are the girl budgies. The girl budgies, Mummy.
Hey, wait, Evan.
Oh, there's more
So that's the girls because they've got brown noses.
Hello,
Oh,
budgies.
look, there's one right there.
Hello.
This is the girls.
That's a boy.
Yeah.
This is my first time ever seeing a girl budgie. Are we allowed to adopt them here? Are we allowed to adopt them here? No.
Yeah.
Ah!